Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, October the 20th, 2022. I have not so good news. We have only a regular puzzle, and it's a Sudoku Medium. One, yes, because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. What I will do yesterday is also no extra puzzles, no additional. I've done the additional of the day before, the Tuesday edition. So what I will do is today there are 3 puzzles left in the Monday edition. Yes, Monday edition. All right. So no extra puzzles. Let me see what's happening. Okay. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number. I believe 5356. Yes, 5356. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will with 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. 26 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. Alright, Sudoku Medium. Let me see, which number can I pick? The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appeared. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So do 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay, then. Let me see. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Well. We have a pair. 7 and 8 in this column. 7 and 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. We have a 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. We have a pair again, 2 and a 9 in this column, the 2 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and a 9. All right. Then, let me see. The 3 in the first column, the 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 6. Interesting. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. But how about the 6 in this column? The 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2 and number 7. Alright. Then let me see. How about need a 6 here. Well. 5. Yes. 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, 5. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then. For 4. For 4. In the last column, 3 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So one digit left should be the 6. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well, here can it be a 4 because we have a 4 already in this big square. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. In the last column, yes. So one digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. One digit to go. Yes. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9? Well, we have a 9 now in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. A 9 in the last, third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, well, we have a 5 now in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. Third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Faster than the 2 stars puzzle. So is this really a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles of the Monday edition. Yes, because today we have no extra puzzles. So see you then. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. If you already solved those puzzles on Monday. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.